Hi. This is my final project for the Microsoft Power program. So I created an app using this data set, right? So if you're a local user, I really recommend the Microsoft Power platform for you. So starting, this is the landing screen. So I created a project, an app for a boutique firm. So this is their inventory management. So with this tool, so this is the product. So this was used using the vertical gallery. So I can say, and this is a drop down and is a filter. It's a filter on this gallery. So for example, I could filter to see the different kind of product category, right? So let me just click on use. Yeah. Yeah. I could just decide to select this, right, and also select this. Okay, so this is the clear button, right, and this is the navigate button. So I could just request. So I can see that here, this is the inventory request screen. So I could decide to request this. Then I'll just need to give some details like, okay, it's needed. So then I would click on the submit button. Right, so it takes me to another screen which will show that it has been successful. So yeah, this is it. It has been successful. Okay, so um this is the data verse. So for the data verse, all these are some tests I've had in the past. So all the requests, right, shows in this data verse, right? Yeah. So and then this is the model driven app. So this is um where the items requested, right, get the approval items also should get to show. So for the model driven, in the sense that it was configured in the dataverse, right, it was configured in the dataverse, and in the model driven app is implemented. So this is where I have the form designer, right. This is the me as the owner, right. So yeah, and there's also a process flow. So this is the process flow that shows that once the inventory is requested and is approved, an order is placed, then the product is received into the inventory. So this is the Power Automate flow, right? So once the item is requested, um it's it's once the item is at the condition here shows that it can either be accepted or rejected. Okay, and also, so this is an email which has been sent, right, which can be accepted. Okay, yeah, so I can decide to accept, approve this request. I don't need to put anything, and also the manager also gets a notification to Teams, right? So yeah, the beauty of this is that once a product is for easy access, right, easy, so that the manager can easily get to know what is the update. Okay, so yeah, and that is all. So there's also the Power BI. So this is the Power BI. This is a dashboard where the manager can get to do analysis on the performance of the inventory. So for example, this shows the slow moving products in the inventory. These also show popular products. So you can see that sneakers, there are four products under the sneakers category. So that is all for the inventory management app, right? So the app is in two phases. It also has the customer interface. So this is the landing screen for the customers. So for example, when customers visit the website, this is the landing screen. So a customer can decide to, this is also with the data, right, in the SharePoint. So this is it was done using a vertical gallery. So this is the product name, the price, right, this is the quantity, the sizes. Yes, so a customer might decide to just want to purchase like one item, only add it to cart. So yeah, this was done using a variable. So customer might decide to continue shopping. So that has been added, and you can see it here. This is done using a collection. So I might decide to, as a customer, just decide to probably want to add one or more of the items in the boutique. So I add this to um right. So this is a subtotal, right? So this is a subtotal as well. This is a subtotal. So then the customer might decide to perhaps want to add something else. Let me just say I want to add two of this, right, to cart, and I could show. So this is a search button. It's done using filter, right? So filter on this gallery. So I can decide to say I want to look for casual. So you can see it filter on this vertical gallery. So this is it, and also you can clear. So a customer might decide to want to browse through the gallery, the boutique to see all the available products. And also this is like a chat box, right? So customer might decide to want to know if the product has warranty, and so there are some inbuilt answers using a phrases, right? So customer want to know products available in the boutique. So these are just to give quick questions, and it helps to like enables customers can to easily get answers to their questions. So this is a collection, right? It shows all the items I've requested. I might decide to want to customer might decide to want to delete that. So yes, so that is the delete function. So this is the total item. So this is the shipping and the total. So customer might see this for proceeding to checkout. So I'll decide to check out as a customer. So yeah, it goes to this is the checkout screen. So you can see that the pictures and the item order. So the customer may decide to I want to add one or more of this to change. So this is done using a um input function. So that is it. So you can see that the customer have this, and this is for the customer to provide place for this enables to facilitate first of all dispatch, right? Customer might decide to the name, so I could just put Tommy, then phone number. Let me just put so email, address. So and place order. This place order was done using a patch function. So after this is placed, it goes to the SharePoint. So customer, so yeah, so it goes back to the landing screen, right? This is the landing screen after item is purchased. It goes to the landing screen. So but I can now go to the SharePoint, right, where the data is quite. So the beauty this of the patch function, right, and the those inputs, which is the name, the item purchase. So it enables to business to facilitate promotion in the sense that yeah, the data of the customer are stored already, right? The items purchased. So your business can use this for two things. First of all, to facilitate delivery. Secondly, to also and three things in instance. Secondly is to get feedback, right? Thirdly, to have a database of customers in terms of promotional activities, right? The customers email and every other stuff is there. So for those that are low code users, I would really recommend the Microsoft Power Platform, and you can follow me for more. Thank you.